Do you want more privacy on Snapchat and stop people from seeing when you're online? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the activity indicator in just a few easy steps. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your phone. On the home screen, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to open your profile page. From here, look at the top right corner and tap the gear icon. That's where you'll find your settings. Once inside the settings, scroll down slowly until you reach the section called Privacy Controls. This is near the bottom. Here, you'll see an option called Activity Indicator. By default, it's usually turned on, which means your friends can see when you were last active on Snapchat. To hide that, just toggle the switch off. From now on, Snapchat won't show your activity status to anyone. That means your friends won't know if you're online or when you last used the app. Keep in mind, though, with this turned off, you also won't be able to see their activity either. If this guide was helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next one.